Chapter 6 is one method of marketing research, which is qualitative research methods. Looking at the overview of qualitative research, this focuses on understanding human behavior and experiences, which is the opposite to, the sister method, which is the quantitative, which looks at facts and numbers. However, here in qualitative, we look at understanding human behavior, feelings, and experiences. As I've mentioned, focus groups and in-depth interviews are some of the techniques that are used to collect the data within qualitative research. It's all about engaging participants in discussions to explore attitudes, perceptions, and experiences that they felt either about a service or a product. Ethnography and case study research is another way of collecting your data. Studying people in their natural environment is all about ethnography, which you then immerse yourself, for example, in a village where you like to understand how are the people living, or either in an urban area, and then act as if you are part of the people, and then see how they behave on a day-to-day basis. Then, when conducting in-depth analysis of single or small number of cases, this will be then a case study methodology research method.